How to clear Netflix history. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can clear your Netflix history, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, clearing your Netflix history is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is, instead of the app, I would just recommend you open your browser and go to netflix.com and log into the account. Then just tap the three lines option here and then go to this option here known as account. And once you go to the account option, simply scroll down to the bottom, select a profile for which you would like to clear the history, and after you have done that, you should be able to see this where you'll find the option called viewing activity. So just tap on viewing activity button there. As you tap on viewing activity, simply scroll down here, you'll find the option called hide all. Just tap the hide all button to be able to hide all of those. This way you should be able to clear your Netflix history. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.